Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen from all over the world. My name is Oyekan Oluwole. In today's download video that I will be reviewing, the video is 7 video, but I will be summarizing it to less than 4 minute video, and that is the beauty of this thing. It talk about how to make money online. Now, a whole lot of people desire to make money online. Here comes 6 ways by which you could make money online. The first way is visual assistant. Now, this is when a company issued job that is menial job that they don't it's just a normal routine. They offer it to somebody online. That is called visual assistant. The person get paid. Another one is freelancing skills. So freelancing skills like email marketing, video animation, content writing, all those things, whereby you render your service and you get paid. And you go to visual assistant and freelancing skill, you could get the job and offer on Fiverr and Upwork. Now, another way by which you could get money is dropshipping. Now, selling a product for a company where you make certain profit. So like a company want to sell a product $3,000, they sell it $3,100 and they give you the $100 in it. That is shipping. Another way is brand specialist. Now, what is brand specialist? It means you produce your own goods. That is directly, you are like a producer, or better still, you have your another person goods rebranded in another way, which there was negotiation on how the profit could be shared, on how the sales could go. Then the last one that I have here, the last one that Mr. Danlog recommends on how to make money online is marketing agencies. Now, just like the way the name connotes, an agency is somebody who take job. An agency serve as a linker. He take job from Mr. A, outsources to Mr. B, that is, give it to Mr. B for Mr. B to work it. So he shared the profit of the job. He do the communication. He creates the market by himself. So that is an agency selling your work to a team or a group of freelancers to work for you. Now, that is a very, very easy way to make money online, because you don't even need to have skills. You just need to have a good sound communication skill and a good skills on how to operate online, on how to search for customer. Any form of work that they want to do, you just outsource it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the summary of this video, the key points. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, as you will be seeing this kind of thing often, and share this video, like it, comment. God bless you. Till another time, I remain your lovely friend, Oyekan Oluwole.